Hey there, side hustlers. Ready to turn that $100 in your pocket into a thriving business? Yup, it's totally possible. I'm about to hit you with 10 killer ideas to get started with less than $100. Let's dive in. Number 10. Print-on-demand t-shirts. Got some cool designs in mind? Platforms like Printify or Teespring let you create and sell custom t-shirts without stocking up on inventory. Just upload your design and bam, you're in business. Number 9. Freelance writing. If you've got away with words, this one's for you. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are gold mines for finding gigs. All you need is a computer, internet connection, and some coffee, of course. Number 8. Pet sitting or dog walking. Animal lover? This one's a no-brainer. Post your services on apps like Rover and watch the pet-loving dollars roll in. Plus, you get to hang out with adorable furballs. Win-win. Number 7. Handmade crafts. Got a knack for making jewelry, candles, or any cool crafts? Set up an Etsy shop. Invest in some basic supplies and let your creativity fly. Number 6. Social media management. Small businesses are always looking for help with their socials. Offer your services to manage their accounts and create content. You'd be surprised how quickly this can grow. Number 5. Tutoring. Are you a math whiz or a grammar guru? Offer your tutoring services locally or online. Sites like tutor.com can help you find students in need of your expertise. Number 4. Blogging. Love to write and share your thoughts. Start a blog. Platforms like WordPress or Medium can help you get started. Monetize with ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Number 3. House cleaning. Start a small cleaning service. Invest in some cleaning supplies and create a killer profile on Thumbtack or TaskRabbit. Clean homes, make money, simple as that. Number 2. Virtual assistant. Are you organized and good with admin tasks? Offer your services as a virtual assistant. Businesses are always in need of someone to handle emails, schedules, and data entry. And drumroll please, number 1. Flipping items online. Hit up thrift stores, garage sales, or even your own attic. Find items with potential, clean them up, and flip them on eBay or Craigslist. You'd be amazed at what people will buy. So there you have it, folks. 10 awesome businesses you can start with just $100. No excuses. Get out there and start hustling. And hey, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you later.